The business world is changing faster than ever. What worked 5 years ago might be completely outdated today, and what seems like a risky idea right now could turn into the most profitable opportunity of your life. We are in 2025, a year where technology, digitalization, and new consumer trends are creating opportunities for those who can see them and take action. The truth is, it has never been more possible to start a business with minimal resources and turn it into a steady source of income. Thanks to digital tools, you can reach customers anywhere in the world, automate processes, and compete head-to-head with much larger companies. All you need is the right idea, the right mindset, and the determination to take the first step. In this video, I'm going to share 10 profitable business ideas to make money in 2025. Ideas? You can start without huge investments and that align perfectly with current trends. I'll give you clear examples, practical tips, and strategies to not only start but also grow your business smartly. I want you to picture this. 1 year from now, you look back and realize you made a decision that changed your life. You're no longer relying solely on your paycheck. You have a business generating consistent income and, more importantly, the freedom to decide how and where you work. That future is possible, and it starts with choosing an idea and committing to it. So, if you're ready to discover which business could be your next big move and how to turn it into a solid source of income, hit the like button, subscribe to Drop My Money, and let's get started. Idea 1. Start a digital content creation business in 2025. Digital content is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Businesses, brands, and entrepreneurs all need high-quality videos, graphics, blogs, and social media posts to connect with their audiences, and many of them are willing to pay generously for it. If you have skills in writing, video editing, graphic design, or social media management, you can turn that into a profitable business almost immediately. The beauty of this idea is that you can start with very little investment. A decent laptop, some affordable or even free editing software, and an internet connection are enough to get going. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn allow you to reach clients across the globe without leaving your home. And as you build a portfolio, you can raise your rates and choose the clients you most enjoy working with. You can also specialize in a niche. For example, maybe you create TikTok videos for fitness coaches, design product, photos for e-commerce stores, or write blog articles for financial websites. The more specialized you become, the easier it is to stand out and attract clients who are willing to pay premium rates for your expertise. Draw my money tip: in the digital economy, your skills are your currency. The better you master them, the more valuable you become. Once you have a content business up and running, you can scale it by building a small team or creating packages that bring in recurring monthly income. And if content creation isn't your thing, our next idea will show you how to make money by selling actual products without even having to store them yourself. Idea 2. Launch a dropshipping store. Dropshipping remains one of the most accessible ways to start an e-commerce business in 2025, and the model keeps evolving with new tools and automation options. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't have to buy inventory upfront or handle shipping yourself. Instead, you set up an online store, list products from suppliers, and when someone makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Your profit comes from the difference between the supplier's price and the retail price you set. This business can be started with minimal capital, often less than $500, and your main investments will be in building a website and marketing your products. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix make it easy to launch a professional-looking store without knowing how to code, and marketplaces like AliExpress, Spocket, or CJ Dropshipping can connect you with thousands of products to sell. The key to success is finding the right niche and marketing it effectively. Instead of selling generic products that everyone offers, focus on a targeted market. For example, eco-friendly home goods, travel accessories for digital nomads, or innovative pet products. Combine that with effective advertising on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, and you can start generating sales within weeks. Draw my money tip: in dropshipping, your real product isn't the item you sell. It's the experience and trust you build with your customer. Idea 3. Sell digital products in 2025. Digital products are one of the most profitable and scalable business models you can start. The reason is simple. You create the product once and then you can sell it an unlimited number of times without worrying about inventory, shipping, or manufacturing costs. This gives you incredibly high profit margins and the ability to reach customers anywhere in the world instantly. Digital products can be almost anything: ebooks, online courses, printable planners, photography presets, templates for social media, or even stock music. If you have expertise in a specific field, you can package your knowledge into a course or guide. If you're creative, you can design templates or tools that save people time and make their lives easier. For example, if you're good at personal finance, you could create a budgeting spreadsheet and sell it on Etsy or your own website. If you're skilled at graphic design, you could sell Canva templates for small business owners. And if you have a unique skill set, you can teach it through an online course hosted on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. The best part is that once your product is created, your main focus is marketing, using social media, paid ads, or even influencer partnerships to get your product in front of the right audience. Over time, you can build an entire catalog of digital products that generate passive income. Draw my money tip: if your knowledge or creativity can solve a problem, it can become a product and a source of recurring income. While digital products give you infinite scalability, our next idea focuses on building a more personal connection with your audience and turning that relationship into a business opportunity. Idea 4. Start a personal brand and monetize it in 2025. Building a personal brand is one of the most powerful ways to create a profitable business, and it's easier than ever to start. A personal brand is all about sharing your expertise, your personality, and your story to attract an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. Once you have that audience, you can monetize it in countless ways, from selling your own products and services to partnering with brands for sponsorships. You don't need to be a celebrity or have millions of followers to succeed. In fact, smaller audiences with high engagement often lead to more profitable and loyal communities. For example, if you have expertise in fitness, you could share workout tips on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Then monetize by selling workout programs, offering one-on-one coaching, or partnering with sportswear brands. The key is consistency. Regularly posting valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Over time, you'll build authority in your niche and opportunities will start to come to you. Many successful entrepreneurs in 2025 started with nothing more than a smartphone, a social media account, and the willingness to share their knowledge. Once your personal brand gains traction, monetization can take many forms: affiliate, marketing, digital products, online courses, consulting, or even hosting paid events. The stronger your relationship with your audience, the more trust you have, and trust is what drives sales. Draw my money tip: your personal brand is an asset that grows in value. The more you invest in it, treat it like your most important business. If building a personal brand sounds too public for you, our next idea takes a behind-the-scenes approach, helping other businesses grow and getting paid for your skills. Idea 5. Offer freelance or consulting services. Freelancing and consulting remain some of the fastest ways to start earning money in 2025 because you can launch with skills you already have. No inventory, no storefront, and no big upfront costs. If you're good at something that businesses or individuals need, you can start monetizing it almost immediately. This could be graphic design, copywriting, social media management, bookkeeping, web development, marketing strategy, or even career coaching. The freelancing model is simple. You exchange your skills and time for payment. Consulting, on the other hand, focuses more on providing expert advice and strategic guidance to help clients solve specific problems. Both approaches can be highly profitable and flexible, allowing you to set your own rates and choose your clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn make it easier than ever to connect with clients globally, while networking within your own community can lead to long-term contracts. You can start small, perhaps taking on 1 or 2 clients part-time, and then scale into a full-time business by increasing your rates, expanding your services, or even hiring subcontractors. For example, if you have marketing experience, you could start by helping local businesses improve their online presence. Over time, you could develop packages, offer training, or create digital resources, turning one-off projects into recurring monthly income. Draw my money tip: your skills are a business, and every project you take is an opportunity to build a reputation that will pay you for years to come. While freelancing and consulting are service-based, our next idea focuses on turning knowledge into a product, something you can create once and sell over and over again. For example, if you have marketing experience, you could start by helping local businesses improve their online presence. Over time, you could develop packages, offer training, or create digital resources, turning one-off projects into recurring monthly income. Draw my money tip: your skills are a business, and every project you take is an opportunity to build a reputation that will pay you for years to come. While freelancing and consulting are service-based, our next idea focuses on turning knowledge into a product, something you can create once and sell over and over again. The beauty of online courses is scalability. You create the course once and then you can sell it to hundreds or thousands of people without having to teach the same material over and over again. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to host and sell your courses, while tools like Zoom or Loom allow you to record lessons professionally from home. You don't need to be a world-class expert to succeed. You just need to be a few steps ahead of your audience and able to clearly guide them from point A to point B. For example, if you're skilled in social media marketing, you could create a course teaching small business owners how to grow their Instagram accounts. If you're great at budgeting, you could create a step-by-step course on managing personal finances. Idea 7. Start a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand is one of the most flexible and low-risk ways to sell physical products in 2025. The concept is simple. You create custom designs for items like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, or even phone cases, and your printing partner handles the production and shipping each time an order is placed. This means you don't have to invest in inventory, and you can focus entirely on designing and marketing your products. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble make it easy to integrate your designs with online stores on Shopify, Etsy, or even Amazon. All you need to do is upload your artwork, set your prices, and promote your store to the right audience. You can experiment with different niches. For example, motivational designs for entrepreneurs, funny quotes for pet owners, or stylish graphics for gamers. One of the biggest advantages of print-on-demand is that you can test ideas with minimal risk. If a design doesn't sell, you can simply replace it with a new one without losing money on unsold inventory. On the flip side, if a design takes off, you can scale quickly by adding more products with the same style or theme. For example, imagine you design a unique coffee mug for remote workers that says, "This is my boardroom." If it starts selling well, you can add matching t-shirts, tote bags, and stickers, all without touching a single product yourself. Draw my money tip: in print-on-demand, creativity is your inventory. The more ideas you produce, the more opportunities you create for sales. You've now discovered 10 powerful and profitable business ideas that can help you make money. In 2025, from creating digital content and launching a dropshipping store, to selling digital products, building a personal brand, offering freelance or consulting services, creating online courses, starting a print-on-demand business, and more. Each of these ideas has the potential to change your financial life, but only if you take action. The truth is, opportunities are everywhere right now. Technology has leveled the playing field so that you no longer need massive capital or corporate connections to succeed. What you do need is the willingness to commit, learn, and adapt. The people who succeed in business are not always the most talented. They're the ones who take the leap, stay consistent, and keep moving forward even when things get tough. Imagine yourself 12 months from now. Looking back on this moment, Will you be proud that you started your own business, built a new income stream, and took control of your financial destiny? Or will you still be thinking about someday? That choice is in your hands right now. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these 10 ideas and take the first step today. Whether it's researching your market, setting up a website, or making your very first sale, do something that moves you closer to your goal. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to Draw My Money, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today.